Hello everyone, let me introduce ourselves. We are here to do a podcast for project-based learning. So, my name is Ryan Putra Rahman and my partner
My name
name is...
is Muhammad Maulana.
Hello everyone and welcome to our podcast. So, today we are going to discuss a topic that has become an essential part of modern life, especially for students and young people, which is the internet. I'm Ryan Putra Rahman as the host and Muhammad Maulana as co-host, joined by my co-host. How are you today, Maulana?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Rehan. I'm excited to talk about this topic because the internet plays a very important role in our daily life, particularly in education and communication.
Absolutely. Let's start with a basic question. How will you describe the internet to someone who is not familiar with technology?
In simple terms, the internet is a global system that connects computer, smartphone, and other devices around the world. It allows people to access information, communicate instantly, and share data regardless of distance.
That's a clear explanation. In the context of education, how has the internet changed the way students learn?
The internet has transformed education in many ways. A student can now access learning materials such as online journals, digital libraries, video lectures, and interactive learning platforms. This makes learning more flexible and independent compared to traditional classroom methods.
I agree. Many students now rely on online research for excitement and research. In your opinion, what are the biggest advantages of using the internet for academic purposes?
On major advantage is efficiency. Students can find information quickly without spending a lot of time searching through physical books. Another advantage is global access. Students can learn from universities, experts, and institutions from different countries through online courses and webinars.
That's a good point. However, despite this benefit, the internet also has some negative effect. Could you explain some of the challenges related to internet use?
Of course, one of the main challenge is information overload. Not all information on the internet is accurate or reliable. Students may encounter fake news or unverified sources. Additionally, excess internet use can lead to distraction, procrastination, and even mental health issues such as stress or anxiety.
Those issues are often discussed among educators. How can students overcome this challenge and use the internet responsibly?
Students should develop digital literacy skills. These include evaluating sources, managing time effectively, and using the internet productive purpose. Setting limits on screen time and focusing on academic goals can also help reduce negative impacts.
That's a very insightful. Let's move on the role of the internet in social life. How has the internet influenced the way people communicate?
The internet has made communication faster and more convenient. Social media, email, then message application allow people to stay connected with family and friends, even across long distances. However, face-to-face communication has discreet which might affect social skill.
Yes, many people prefer online interaction rather than direct conversation. Do you think this change is more positive or negative?
I think depends on how people use it. When used wisely, the internet strengthens the relationships and supports collaboration. Both offers it can lead to isolation and reduce real-world interaction.
There's a balanced perspective. Another important issue is cybersecurity. Why should the internet user be concerned about online security?
Online security is crucial because personal data can be misused. Cybercrime such as identity theft, phishing, and data breaches are increasing. Users must protect their password, avoid suspicious website, and be careful when sharing personal information online.
Security awareness is definitely important, especially for students looking ahead. How do you see the future of the internet?
In the future, the internet will likely become more advanced with the integration of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things. This technology will make daily activity more efficient, but they will also require stronger ethical and security regulation.
That sounds promising, but also challenging. Before we end this podcast, do you have any final thought about the internet?
Yes, the internet is powerful that can support education, communication, and innovation. However, its benefit depend on responsibility. We use it developing awareness, critical thinking, and self-control is essential in digital age.
Thank you for sharing your insight. I completely agree with your point.
Thank you. It was pleasure discussing the important topic.
And that brings us to the end of today's podcast. Thank you to our listener for tuning in. We hope the discussion helped you better understand the role of the internet in education and society. See you in the next episode.
Le.